Out fishing the passage, starting off with play drifts, fishing with Joe. Leave his channel in the description, so see some good videos from him. I'll keep you updated if we catch me. Look at that, how clear it is. Look at that. Just stop to see how clear it is, eh? Beautiful. Yeah, it's like 8 meters, you can see the bottom like it's nothing. Look at that. Beautiful. Jesus, they killed me. Look how good it is though. Look at that. Not get any better. Going to the flighty spot soon, so hopefully get one. The flighty spot. Put a line in the water. Okay. Some structure down there. Is that? Yeah, that's good. Does it say structure? Oh, it's so clear. Yeah. Yeah. Well, hopefully catch something. Oh wait, get that out of my boat. Rod restoration. Yeah, rod restoration. He's got a friggin' rod. Rod restoration, here we come. Old rod. It's like an old surf rod, but chuck it there. So I'll try and untangle it real quickly. Oh fucking, just whack me in the head. Sorry for swearing. It stinks. I thought it would have been like a bit of structure. Snag or something, but it's a rod. Yeah. Right, so... Well, my boat's gonna smell now. Actually, it's caught a rod. Oh, there's a lure on it too. How's that? Oh, lure. That's pretty cool. Just drain all the water out of it.
Featuring Ellie Goulding. Sunny Coast here, 91.9.
I can't ever read the name of that. He pulled a rod up with 25 pound. It's probably been there for like, what, 5 years? Surfer. Hold on, let me get close to that. Look at that. That's an old rod and reel and lure. We're going to do it Brody today. Restoration on a rod. Shout out to young buds. Brody Moss. That's pretty cool. So I was not expecting that, guys. I thought I was onto a fish. Yeah, I thought you were a snag or like a tree log. Alright, well, there we go. Count as the first fish today. Yep, first fish of the day. First fish of the day is like a 7 foot. Alright, let's get back to fishing. Yeah, let's go. Brim. And it's going like that. Too easy. We think Drain just hooked on a huge stingray. I need wind in my lines. Oh. The lights come on. Yeah, it could just be like, doesn't even know it's hooked. How big it is. I don't think he hooked it though. I think he hooked something other side of it. Oh.
Guys, let's test this Sienna.
It's like a stingray. It looks like a stingray though. It's not a rod. I was about to say that. You gotta rip it out of the ground if it was. Hey, no time to play guitar. I'm already on 80%. Far out. Battery dies so fast. Yeah. I was thinking about bringing my charger. Oh no. Just filming about a snag the whole time.
Yeah.
That's how it's gonna be. Like it looked like a huge stinger. We'll just hook every rod up to him and pull it up.
Like it's just the corner of a boat.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, sandbag or something.
Sandbag out here. Oh, my rod's wrapped, my line's wrapped around the propeller. Oh. What's going on here? Oh, I see. Okay, hold up. Hold up. Yeah? One sec. This is gonna be some great footage of me not even filming half of this.
I think it's just a massive stick.
Yeah. It's a rock. It's a rock. Huge stingray, Jordan. It actually looks like a stingray though. Because you can see it a little bit down the end. Everyone's gonna be like, oh, he's on to a big one. Well, they know it's a rock. Drayden's dogging us, he's leaving. Huh? Drayden's a dog. I'll be out here fishing. Yeah. What's that catch, Tank? Caught. What do you reckon, like a 18cm bream? Huh? Oh, look how good this is. Guys, this is Mark, my mate. Oh.
I've got to head off because I'm going to Moose and North Shore, driving up the beach for a little bit.
Look at that though.
But yeah, I'll see you guys when we get down. I'll try and show you drive on the way if I can. But go sub.
Beautiful down.
Sean?
Fishing with Sean.
Yep, fishing with Sean. I'll put his link in the description. But go subscribe to his channel. He doesn't have many videos yet, but soon to come. If you just want to see restoration vid on the rod we found, just comment yes if you do, no if you don't, and I'll try and get that up for you.
Oh, the bar. It's beautiful.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, everything you can. And I'll see you guys shortly.
I'll link Drain's channel down below so you can watch the videos that he has some good ones. Him catching the 1.3 metre shovel.
Yep.
Alright.
3 metres.
Well, keep us updated if I catch anything. And hopefully Drain catches something down at Noosa.
On the lure.
A little flatty.
Flatty. As soon as it landed.
That's nice. I'll get it underwater release. 35, isn't it?
I don't know.
He'll be either just over or close. Your mum's calling you. I'm gonna turn this off.
Yeah, we're at the jetty. I just got a flatty on a lure.
That's cool.
Pardon?
Just landed at. Look at the current. It was screaming. Don't not military.
I just got fishing rods, like a little pack box. Yeah, they'll fit in the boat.
Measure it.
Yeah. I just sure might be able to take some stuff home. Alright, bye, I love you.
Nice. I reckon 32.
Alright, this is my first flatty on a lure.
It's your first flatty on a lure?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I just got it on this little, kind of...
It's like a shrimp thing.
Yeah, it looks like a prawn, shrimp, grasshopper thing. As soon as it hit the ground, it just hit straight away. But the measurement for you, it is...
Settle.
Close to 35, like 44 centimetres.
44, alright.
Yeah, 40. Or like 42 centimetres.
32.
Oh yeah, 32. Right.
Close to 35.
You want to take a photo on your GoPro quickly?
Yep.
Okay.
Put that down. Do you want to release it here? Okay. That's pretty cool. So, Drain has just left. He left the fishing gear with me. So he's pick it up from mine. I'm thinking I'm gonna anchor up somewhere. Don't know where yet. But look at the water now, like it was grey and like blue, perfect colour. Now it's just like crappy yellow, brown. Sucks how it can just change like that. From the tide going out. Like, it was high before. Now, like, because I have a long shaft and it hits the water, the sand, not the water. can't go too fast for real, or I'll just stuff up the motor. But I'm thinking might go to Juice Spot out the front of what's it called? Military. So you can catch big juice out there. I'm gonna go there for a bit, anchor up, hopefully catch something. Alright, I'll keep this updated if I catch anything. Just pulled out the front of Military Jetty. That's where I wanted to go where that dude is. I don't know if you can see him, but there's someone there and that's where I wanted to go. So I'm gonna move in closer to where the Mango Jack are. Yeah. Good day, fish for Drayden, but I'm heading in now. Yeah. I'll do like a little clip tonight seeing if I'm going fishing tomorrow, like if I am or if I'm not, but yeah, I'll let you know later. Otherwise, have a good day or night wherever you're at, and see ya.